Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a classic off-road vehicle known for its rugged durability and iconic design. Here's a detailed overview. General overview. Model, Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Year, 1978. Type, compact SUV, off-road vehicle. Body style, two-door hardtop or soft top. Engine and performance. Engine type, inline 6-cylinder. Engine displacement, 4.2 L, 4,230 cubic centimeters, Model 2F. Horsepower, approximately 135 horsepower at 3,600 RPM. Torque, around 210 lb-ft at 1,800 RPM. Fuel system, carbureted. Transmission, 4-speed manual. Drive type, 4WD, 4-wheel drive. Top speed, approximately 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour. Fuel economy, roughly 12 to 15 miles per gallon. Chassis and suspension. Chassis, ladder frame construction. Suspension, front, semi-elliptical leaf springs with solid axle. Rear, semi-elliptical leaf springs with solid axle. Brakes, front, disc brakes, upgraded from earlier drum brakes. Rear, drum brakes. Steering, recirculating ball type. Dimensions and weight. Wheelbase, 90.6 inches, 230 centimeters. Length, 151.2 inches, 384 centimeters. Width, 66.5 inches, 169 centimeters. Height, 74.8 inches, 190 centimeters. Ground clearance, 8.3 inches, 21 centimeters. Curb weight, approximately 3,500 pounds, 1,588 kilograms. Exterior, design, boxy, utilitarian design with removable doors and roof. Headlights, round sealed beam headlights. Grille, horizontal slatted grille. Bumpers, steel bumpers for durability. Wheels, steel wheels with hubcaps, optional alloy wheels. Interior, seating capacity, 4 to 6 passengers, depending on configuration. Seating layout, front bucket seats and rear side-facing jump seats. Dashboard, simple, functional layout with basic gauges. Instrumentation, speedometer, fuel gauge, temperature gauge. Amenities, minimalistic, no air conditioning or advanced electronics typical of modern SUVs. Off-road capability, 4WD system, part-time 4WD with manual locking hubs. Transfer case, 2-speed, high and low range. Approach angle, excellent for off-road terrain. Departure angle, high for rugged trails. Towing capacity, approximately 3,500 pounds. Popularity and legacy. The 1978 FJ40 is highly sought after by collectors and off-road enthusiasts for its reliability and timeless design. It is known for its ability to tackle difficult terrains, making it a favorite among adventurers. Common modifications, lift kits for better ground clearance. Upgraded wheels and off-road tires. Engine swaps for more power, e.g. V8 conversions. Modernized interiors while maintaining the vintage look. Collectability and value. Due to its iconic status and durability, well-maintained or restored models can be highly valuable, often fetching high prices in classic car markets. Would you like more information on restoration, buying tips, or maintenance for the FJ40? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.